we are going to learn how to add or create second Gmail account in your computer browser. So I will show you. Okay, this is my Chrome browser, and here I'm going to show you I have two accounts. How you can add or create new account or another account in your Chrome browser. Okay, so if you're looking for to how to add email address in your existing account, there is a different way. There is a different videos I have. You can watch my playlist, or you can find link in description. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can add the second account in your browser. Okay, so here you can see this is my account and this is my second account. So if you want to add another account, just add another account, and here just type your password and email id. Okay, just the password here. Okay, after the password you have to next it enter the right password. Okay, I have already logged in my account, so just hit the enter the right password, then click next, then come to the your browser, then automatically come to your browser. Then here you can see your second account, just click on it and it will be open. Okay, so that is how you can add second on your second account in Gmail. Okay, so I hope you like this video.